All right, time to groom up the sheep. Some are washing and some are grooming. Getting them ready for competition. Cleaning them up. See everything you have to do to get them ready for competition. Get all the field stuff all off them. Make sure their fur is really nice and cleaned up. Then give them a good bath. And they'll be ready for competition. Look at that, fluffing them all up. They look like they already got their hair cut. Look at that. See, kids, everything you have to do to get them ready. Can't just take them right from the barn and put them in competition. Groom them all up, wash them all up. Really cool. All right. There you go. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Bye-bye now. They stand nice and tall for you.